today we're not doing any gaming. We will be seeing my new kitten. We got him yesterday. His name is Bob. He's sitting on the couch over there. So little. This is Bob. He's trying to sleep right now, but this is how big he is. So he's really little. See how tiny he is. And Bob is really playful. He has a toy. It's this toy right here. You just hold the stick. He starts attacking it. Hey Bob, look! What's this? Bob? Oh, he's played with it. He's just laid there. So you can see him playing with it. So yeah, that's his toy. This is his little cage. Yeah, it's weird. My cousin made it for him. Let's pick him up. He's that tiny. Look at tiny faces. Look at so tiny it is.
Look what Bob did.
Oh, Bob did that. It's a little scratching. He's so cute. Yes, he is.
He did that. He bit me.
It's a little cutie. Look, he's so cute. Yeah, that's Bob. That's my sister.
Cutie.
Look how cute Bob is. Bob is so little. He likes playing with his toy a lot. Look, what's this? Yeah, he's staring. He climbs up stuff. He climbed up our new couch over there. My dog Minnie. Hanging out. But yeah, there's Bob. Woo! Okay, let's take him right here.
Anikyn.
There's me.
Anikyn.
Okay, let's put him up here.
Anikyn.
This is actually the
Anikyn.
top part of the couch. He actually likes playing around. What?
Guess what?
What?
When I
Here. Okay, this is Bob. He's just hanging out.
I did.
Bob is tiny. He's like 8 weeks old.
You're gone.
Look at that little cute face.
I'm not
Look at that little cute face. Look how tiny he is. So tiny. Like, come up really easily. Whee! Bob. Yeah. Well, yeah, that's him, and thank you for watching. Bob was just hanging out on my lap, but yeah. Thank you for watching. Put a thumbs up and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.
Actually, I'm not